Alrighty, y'all. So how is everybody doing? I wanted to stop out and just kind of show you all what we're going to be doing. Remember, I did tell y'all that we were going to be doing like different house projects and cleaning tips and different things like that. And so I wanted to show you all what I was going to be working on today. I had a rug. Excuse the chimes, y'all. I'm out in my backyard. But with these particular rugs, you cannot wash them in the washing machine. So you have to, find another alternative to be able to do that. Well, in my case, I tried it, last summer or the summer before, but I got my pressure washer and I began to wash my rugs. So that's what we're going to go through on today. I only have, one or two rugs that I'm going to do, or probably my husband is going to do, because I have issues ever since I used the pressure washer the last time, and I have problems with this arm. So I'm going to walk you through the steps and show you all how I actually clean my rugs. Even if I purchase them from somewhere like, if it's something like on Facebook Marketplace or something like that, and I really, really like the rug, before I would bring it into my home.
You gonna put your soap on it?
I'm going to wet it down first. I will take and I will do the same method, and because it's so hot now, it's being in the 90 some degrees, we can just let this set out here on the patio, and it will dry probably in 1 or 2 days. I probably 1 or 2 days tops. I usually leave it out here for 2, no longer than 3 days. So right now we're going to walk you all through what I usually do, and I hope some of these tips really help y'all. Okay, all right. Talking to the dog. You done wet it all? You done wet it all?
Put that over there and spray it out there in the sun.
So this is what we're going to be using, y'all. Dawn dishwasher. Dawn. Okay, y'all, so we have now finished pressure washing this rug, and I just want to show you all how it turned out. It is beautiful. It is sparkling clean, and I want to show you all a close-up, okay? Now, it does have some gray, you know, designs in it. Color gray, I think turquoise, and like a darkish green and a lighter green, but it is really, the white is really whiting. It really is, and it's beautiful. Try to do it slow. And my husband did a good job on this, y'all. He really did. Say hey, honey. Tell him hey.
Hey, she gonna kill me.
Okay, y'all. So we're gonna hang it now onto. We're just gonna lay it across something. It is gonna be like 90-some degrees out here, and we just want to show you all. We just want it to dry, completely dry. It may be out here for almost 3 days, according to how long it takes. Come here, Midnight. Come show the people you. Midnight is showing off his new haircut. He love his pop. But anyway, we just want to show you how this rug turned out. So, I am well pleased. And like I stated, we have done several of our bigger rugs like this, and it's turned out good. This one was a lot more soil than the other ones, because I usually have, like, when you come into my garage into the back door, we're walking straight on this rug, which is a terrible place to put it. So once it dry, I think I'm going to put this maybe in my bathroom. I think that's what I'm going to do, put it in my bathroom. And I'll get another one for by the back door, because this color is not going to match the colors in my kitchen in my new living room. So I just wanted to show you all that today. And I assume my husband is going to continue to pressure wash off the sidewalk, are you?
As soon as we get this rug out the way.
Okay, and then we've got another rug that we're going to, it's an outside rug, but we're just going to put it out. Say hey, Midnight. Say hey. Say hey, camera people. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and put it out. And then we may end up, I'm going to show y'all something. And I'm debating about this, but this is going to be, we've got to pressure wash these. And so we're going to do that soon. All of these chairs came from Facebook Marketplace. But when I tell y'all they are comfortable just to sit out here and enjoy yourself, we have really been doing that. But let me go ahead and get this rug onto the chair and let it lay out and drip dry. And then we're going to finish pressure washing the outside and patio and get this all completed. This was an outdoor rug I had gotten some years ago from Walmart. And I want to say that this rug was only like 20 some dollars. Believe it or not, it was only like 20 some dollars. I kept it in my little outhouse wrapped up in the plastic for probably a year and a half until one day I was just like, you know what, let me just take this out. I really don't like the color because now, as you can see, I have a black umbrella, but I'm making it work because we're going to be changing out everything out here. Since we've got the patio cord and it's much, much bigger, I'll just be so glad when we are able to get this the roofing on this thing. Because so this is pretty much the rug. So we're gonna let this dry out today. We took it up because it kept blowing up, but we're just gonna kind of set our chairs on it and sit out here in the afternoon and do what we need to do. But that's pretty much all, y'all. That's really all that I have for you all today. Well, I wouldn't say all, because there is another project that I am looking at doing, in which you all are going to be a part of it, okay? Because remember, we are creating a very, how can I say this? We are trying to create a home that is very comfortable, classic, and has a great aesthetic about it. And so that is my goal, to be able to do this, but I don't want to do it without you all, okay? Peace out.